Here's something you should think about and consider if you're planning on doing any type of plumbing, installing any types of plumbing pipes, water supply pipes near a walkway, a sidewalk, or a driveway, especially one that has a lot of foot traffic and or bicycles, for example. You need to keep the pipe as close to the building as you possibly can, and this is an excellent example of that. But I would also like you to consider one more thing, is that this pipe is still vulnerable to anyone that somehow was to fall onto it. I mean, let's face it, you could be riding your bike around the corner, you see someone, you dodge, you weave them, you go up against the building, your bicycle pedal scrapes across this pipe, bends it, breaks it, and now you have a repair bill. And again, some of these videos that I make are to just give you a general idea. Just, hey, does this make sense? If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Go on to the next video. But if it does, hey, you're building something. I mean, whenever I build something, I try to think of all the possible problems I could have or the building owner could have, and then make the adjustments. I don't just build something and say, okay, that's good enough. That's not what I do. Otherwise, I wouldn't be making these videos either. If you can protect a pipe like this, then do something. And again, I'm not talking about a major expense here. I'm not talking about digging a big footing, moving the sidewalk, moving the building. I'm just talking about, hey, if you could get some type of sheet metal, a heavy gauge sheet metal, and put it over the pipe somehow, clamp it onto the building, then great. Anything you can do to protect something like this is just going to reduce the possibilities of a problem in the future. But remember, you could leave this like it is and never have a problem. But if it's a concern of yours and this video makes sense, then you might want to, if you have something like this, you might want to protect it. Now, for sure, you're going to want to protect something like this if you continue to have problems with it. And again, I see that over and over again. Hey, how many times have you had to repair that pipe that was sticking out of the wall? Oh, this is the 5th time. Okay, stop. This is enough. That would be my first clue that something needs to change to reduce your future home repair costs. So don't forget, if you like these videos, give me the old thumbs up every once in a while, and don't forget to leave any of your questions in the comment area, and I will answer them as soon as I possibly can.